If your Acer Nitro 5 isn't turning on, don't stress. This is a surprisingly common issue, and most of the time it comes down to a simple power reset. With the right steps, you can usually bring the laptop back to life without opening anything up. Start with a basic power drain. Unplug the charger from your laptop completely so it's not getting any power at all. Then press and hold the power button for a full 30 seconds. This forces the system to release any leftover electrical charge that may be preventing it from booting. While you're still holding the power button, plug the charger back in. Keep holding for a few more seconds, then release the button. After that, tap the power button normally to see if it wakes up. If you notice the keyboard lighting up, but the screen stays black, give it a little time. Some Nitro models take up to 45 seconds before the display finally kicks in, so don't assume it's frozen too early. If that first method doesn't help, try a reverse power cycle. This time, start with the charger already connected. Hold the power button down for 30 seconds. While you continue holding, unplug the charger. Keep the button held for another 30 seconds to completely drain the system. Once that's done, plug the charger back in and try powering it on again. This deeper reset can fix issues that the normal power drain doesn't catch. If the laptop still refuses to respond, check for a couple of simple things. Make sure your charger is firmly connected and the charging brick light is on. Try a different wall outlet just in case power isn't reaching the laptop. You can also remove any USB devices or accessories, since a faulty peripheral can occasionally prevent the system from booting. After trying these steps, most Nitro 5 laptops will power back on without any further trouble. If yours still won't start, the problem might be related to the battery, RAM, or motherboard, and you may want to reach out to Acer support or a repair shop. But in many cases, these power resets are all you need. If this helped you get your Nitro 5 running again, feel free to like the video or drop a comment with any other laptop issues you want explained. Good luck, and hopefully your system fires right back up.